Hey guys, what's happening? How to save money on travel with hostel or hotel apps. So first of all, download Hostel World or Booking.com from your app store, Google Play, or even visit the website, or Hostel Geeks for budget-friendly stays. Next, book in advance. Early reservations often come with discounts, and check multiple apps for best rate on the same hostel or hotel. Next, look for promotion and deals. Some apps or websites offer special discounts or loyalty perks. Next, stay in dorm. Okay, shared rooms are cheaper than private ones. Next, check amenities. Free breakfast, Wi-Fi. Lots of examples. This hotel, right? Free website, Wi-Fi, non-smoking rooms, restaurants, and private parking. Okay, and kitchen access can save extra costs. And of course, lastly, read the guest reviews. Ensure quality and safety by checking guest feedback before booking. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Do not forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.